Hey guys, it's PE Day. Before we get started in our Underhand Rolling unit, I wanted to just reintroduce myself. I'm Coach Essick. Many of you may have seen me around the halls, and it's been an awesome experience here at Johnson Street so far. I'm going to be here for the rest of the semester, and I am looking forward to being in more lessons and getting to work with you guys more and more. You guys have been awesome, and I'm excited about another great PE lesson today. So let's get started. Today's learning objectives are: I can describe and demonstrate the 4 cues to the underhand roll. I can bring my best effort. And I can use knowledge from other PE lessons to help perform the underhand rolling movement. Now students, everybody stand up, push your chair in, and let's get moving with a fun level up warm-up. Okay, that's level 1. Let's get ready for level 2. Okay, that was level 2. Now, let's get ready for level 3. Okay, great job. Before we get started rolling, we need to talk about the 4 cues to underhand rolling. Let's watch the video. Hey guys, today we are going to begin our underhand rolling lesson. With this, we are going to start in our 4 cues. The first cue is ready. I'm going to grab the ball, and today I have a tennis ball. You can use a sock ball or any other ball that you'd like. I'm going to grab a ball with the hand that I write with and color with. That's my right hand. Okay? That's my right hand. The first cue is ready. Okay? So we're going to get in a ready stance. The second cue is back. So that's arm back. So that looks like this. So ready, back. The third cue, and this can be tricky, is step. And in this case, we're going to step with our opposite foot of the hand we write with. So for me, that's my left foot. Okay, so I'm going to step with my opposite foot. So first cue is ready, second cue is back, third cue is step, and last cue is bend and roll. Okay, so first cue, ready, second cue, back, third cue is step, and last cue is bend and roll. Okay? Hopefully this helps. Okay, so in that video I described the 4 cues to underhand rolling. We're going to need to remember those as we move forward. On the screen are the 4 different cues for underhand rolling. Teachers, you may pause the video now to help remind students of the 4 different cues. The first is the ready position. The second cue is arm back. The third cue is step with the opposite foot. So here I have my paper ball in my right hand and I'm stepping with my left foot. So the ball is in my right hand, I'm stepping with my left foot. And the last one is to bend and roll. Now, we are going to practice those 4 cues without any equipment. So teachers, while we do this, will you please help the students be reminded of the 4 different cues? Ready, arm back, step, and bend and roll. So you're going to have 1 minute, practice in your space these 4 cues. Ready? Go. Remember, ready, arm back, step with the opposite, and bend and roll. Okay, now it's equipment time. Teachers, will you please pause the video and pass out 2 pieces of paper to each student in the class? Students, once you receive your paper, make it into a ball like you see on the screen and place it on your desk and wait for further instructions. So you should have 1 paper ball and 1 piece of flat paper. Once we have our paper ball, we are now going to practice. In your square, you are going to practice the 4 cues to underhand rolling with your paper ball. Your object is to keep it inside of your personal space. If it leaves your personal space, you owe me 2 jumping jacks, and that's okay. So if it leaves your personal space, you need to do 2 jumping jacks, quickly pick up your ball, and go back to your space and continue practicing those 4 cues. You've got 1 minute. Ready? Go. Okay, good job. Let's keep going. After each challenge, I want you to freeze. So when you see this screen, freeze. Let's try another challenge. Let's put our chair just on the corner of our personal space. Your object is to try and use the 4 cues to underhand rolling. Remember, ready, arm back, step with the opposite, and bend and roll. And you're going to try to hit one leg of your chair. You've got 1 minute. Ready? Go. Okay, everybody freeze. Okay, now we're going to need our other piece of paper. So we've got our paper ball and then our other piece of flat copy paper. Please place that flat copy paper in your space. Your object is to see if you can roll and stop your paper ball on that piece of paper. You've got 1 minute. Let's see how many you can do. Remember to use those 4 cues. Ready? Go. Okay, everybody freeze. Okay, now we're going to complete another fun challenge. This time, please take your chair and turn it upside down, just like you see in the video. This is going to create something for you to roll your ball through. So remember, use those 4 cues. You've got 1 minute. See how many times you can roll your paper ball through your target. You've got 1 minute. Ready? Go. Okay, everybody freeze. Okay, great job, everybody. Teachers, if you would, please take the time to review with students the 4 cues to underhand rolling. Remember, this is the ready position. I hope you use this a lot today to get yourself started underhand rolling. This is the arm back. This is the second cue. So the first cue is ready. The second cue is arm back. The third cue is step with your opposite foot. I hope many of you were stepping with your opposite foot while you were underhand rolling. And the last cue is to bend and roll. I hope everybody got really low to the ground and were able to roll with accuracy. Okay, now that we've finished up, I would like for you guys to tell me, how do you think you did? If you think you had a great lesson and you really enjoyed it and you found success, show me a green thumbs up. If you think you need some more practice, it was fun, but you could still get better, show me that sideways thumb, that orange sideways thumb. And if you think that you still need more practice using the 4 underhand cues to rolling, that's okay. We'll give you more practice in the weeks to come. Show me that thumbs down. Okay, that wraps up this week's lesson. I hope you guys enjoyed being introduced to the 4 cues to underhand rolling. We're going to continue to practice. I hope you guys can take some of your paper balls home and keep practicing those at home. And next week, we're going to have even more practice. Great job today, everybody.